Alrighty, day 4 of getting fired and trying to become a full-time blacksmith. So, with recent news of World War III breaking off and all that, I was gonna make hearts to like little crafts to sell on Etsy's. But today I decided to mix it up. We're gonna make knives. Prepare for the battle. So, one of my first videos I ever did was like making a knife out of a horseshoe. So, yeah, that's what we're doing today. Still out of beer though. So if you guys can, hit that like and comment button, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Alright, that's gonna be the end of day 4. So it's just where we're at. You didn't hear that. But this is oh shit. It's just what it was originally. But yeah, this is the end of I can't really tell if you can see that or not. But that's what it was originally. Yeah, end of day 4. I couldn't really get a ton of time on the forge, but got family coming over, but it's all good. Yeah, but be sure to hit that like button and comment. Hopefully these will blow up because your boy's still out of beer. But thank you.